But each one of you hears something different than the other person. But we all share that same desire to want to inspire other people, help other people through nature, connecting to nature in some way. So what you hear and what you see and what comes together in that vision is unique to you. And I think you've got to really remember that when you are developing your ideas. Remember that there is no one else out there that is doing what you are going to do. There's similar ones, but if you dig into those different services, you're going to see that there's pieces that that person is not addressing, not because they're wrong or because they're missing anything, but because you see something differently. Okay. And you can see that when you go, if you for a while is in the world of wilderness therapy. And if you look at all the different wilderness therapy programs out there, when you look at the cover of all of them, they all look the same. They all do the same thing, but not really. When you get in there, when you start to know the people that are there, when you start to understand the reason behind that individual program, they might all follow a similar structure, but it's different. Now, how do these individual programs like that survive? Well, if you look to nature for that answer, what you're going to find is adaptation.